Did you know that only a few specific industries are behind more than 70% of the world's billionaires? It's true. These industries are incredibly profitable, and the super rich know their secrets. So, why not boost your chances of joining their ranks by watching this video? In it, we'll explore 12 industries that create billionaires. Welcome to Top-Tier Success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. Our mission is to guide you towards financial freedom and living life on your own terms. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on valuable insights that could truly transform your life. Number 1. Space exploration and commercial space travel. What do Jeff Bezos, Richard Branson, and Elon Musk have in common? They all invest heavily in space exploration and travel. Why? Because this industry is the next frontier for the wealthy. Venturing into outer space is an experience very few people on Earth can afford. Where there's demand, there's money to be made. But it's not just about profit. Let me explain why this industry is so appealing. Technological advancements. Recent breakthroughs in technology have made space exploration and commercial space travel more feasible and cost-effective. These advances include reusable rockets, more efficient propulsion systems, and lighter materials. Investing in these technologies can lead to substantial financial returns and open up new markets. Untapped resources. Space is home to vast untapped resources like rare earth elements and water on celestial bodies like the moon and asteroids. These resources can be mined and used for both space-based projects and applications on Earth, creating lucrative opportunities for investors and entrepreneurs. Infrastructure development. As more organizations venture into space, there will be a growing need for infrastructure to support their activities. This includes satellite networks for communication, space stations for research and habitation, and refueling stations for spacecraft. Investing in this infrastructure could result in significant financial returns and market domination. Space tourism. Commercial space travel is an emerging market with companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic working on spacecraft for tourists. This presents a unique opportunity for billionaires to invest in an industry that can generate substantial revenue and create new billionaires as demand for space tourism grows. Innovation and prestige. Space exploration has historically driven technological innovation and national pride. For billionaires, investing in space ventures not only offers financial gains, but also brings a sense of prestige and the ability to contribute to humanity's progress and understanding of the universe. Consider Elon Musk's popularity, which has a lot to do with his success in the space industry. People are fascinated by rockets, and although there have been setbacks, Musk's breakthroughs have increased his popularity and his ability to raise funds and grow his wealth. Number 2. The tech industry. The tech industry is unique compared to traditional industries because it can grow rapidly with relatively low capital requirements. Tech companies deal in digital products or services, which can be replicated and distributed at minimal cost. This allows tech entrepreneurs to quickly reach large audiences, leading to exponential growth and immense wealth accumulation. One key factor contributing to the wealth of tech billionaires is the concept of network effects. In the tech world, a product or service becomes more valuable as more people use it. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle of growth. For example, social media platforms become more engaging as more users join, attracting even more users. This cycle accelerates the growth of tech companies and allows founders and early investors to amass significant fortunes. Additionally, the global nature of the tech industry plays a crucial role in wealth generation. The internet has connected the world like never before, allowing tech companies to reach millions of potential customers across the globe. This vast market enables tech entrepreneurs to create innovative solutions that cater to the needs of diverse populations, further solidifying the tech industry as a breeding ground for billionaires. Number 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. The AI and machine learning industries have become major catalysts for creating billionaires. due to their potential to revolutionize various aspects of human life. As technology advances, AI and ML systems are increasingly embedded in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation, generating substantial economic value by enhancing productivity, cost efficiency, and the development of novel products and services. The scalability of AI and ML technologies is another factor driving wealth creation. Successful AI algorithms or models can be easily replicated and applied across different industries, offering opportunities for rapid growth and financial returns with low marginal costs. Moreover, the high barrier to entry in the AI and ML industry, which requires substantial financial resources, specialized talent, and access to vast amounts of data, concentrates wealth among a select few companies and individuals. This exclusivity amplifies the wealth generation potential for those at the forefront of AI and ML, creating the possibility of minting the next generation of billionaires. Number 4. Financial services and fintech. Let's talk about the industry that famously made the Wolf of Wall Street. It's easy to understand why the world of finance can mint billionaires. Here's the breakdown. Financial services and fintech foster billionaires because of their crucial role in managing and streamlining global monetary transactions. By introducing innovative products and services, this sector efficiently caters to the increasing demand for secure and efficient financial processes in our interconnected world. One defining characteristic of the financial services and fintech sector is its penchant for leveraging cutting-edge technology to challenge traditional business practices. This disruptive nature opens up new markets and facilitates rapid expansion, leading to substantial profits for those who pioneer change and stay ahead of emerging trends. By identifying market inefficiencies and delivering refined solutions, these innovators accumulate significant wealth as they reshape the financial landscape. Additionally, the inherent scalability of fintech solutions plays a pivotal role in creating billionaires. These innovations can easily adapt to different markets and accommodate increased transaction volumes, allowing for swift growth and profitability. The adaptability, combined with the industry's global reach, establishes a vast arena for wealth generation. It's no wonder that individuals like Ray Dalio, Warren Buffett, Jamie Dimon, and Peter Thiel chose to build their careers in finance. Number 5. Biotechnology and healthcare. The biotechnology and healthcare industry is a powerhouse for wealth creation, driven by the growing demand for innovative solutions to address health issues and enhance human well-being. This sector is marked by continuous groundbreaking research leading to novel treatments, medicines, and technologies. Companies and individuals who successfully bring these innovations to market have the potential to secure significant financial returns. The immense global need for improved healthcare solutions is a driving force behind this wealth creation. One crucial factor contributing to wealth creation in this industry is the high barrier to entry. Developing new biotechnology products and medical treatments often involves extensive research, intellectual property protection, and a rigorous regulatory approval process. This demands substantial financial investment, specialized knowledge, and expertise. Successful biotech and healthcare entrepreneurs can command a premium for their innovative products and services, resulting in impressive profits and the creation of billionaires. Examples include Patrick Soon-Shiong, Stefan Bancel, and Ur Sahin, who have made fortunes by addressing pressing health challenges with groundbreaking products and services. Number 6. Entertainment and streaming services. The entertainment and streaming services industry is a cash cow, generating vast wealth for its major players. Several factors contribute to its financial success. Global reach. The Internet's global reach enables these platforms to access massive audiences worldwide, delivering content to millions of viewers. This broad accessibility, coupled with the popularity of on-demand entertainment, results in substantial revenue streams through subscriptions, advertisements, and partnerships. Network effect. The network effect, where the value of a platform increases as more people join, plays a crucial role. This leads to rapid growth as people are drawn to the most popular services, creating a snowball effect that consolidates market dominance. Investments in quality content. Dominant platforms can invest in high-quality content and exclusive deals, making them even more appealing to consumers and driving up their valuation. Prominent billionaires in this industry include Reed Hastings, county founder and CEO of Netflix, and Jeff Bezos, who owns Amazon, the parent company of Amazon Prime Video. These individuals have seen their fortunes grow alongside the success of their respective companies. Executives from major streaming platforms like Hulu, YouTube, Disney+, and Spotify also fall into this category. The competition is fierce, and there's a substantial amount of money involved in deals and exclusivity agreements. Number 7. Green and renewable energy. The green and renewable energy industry has seen explosive growth over the past 2 decades due to the increasing demand for innovative green technologies and sustainable energy sources. There are several reasons why this industry is incredibly lucrative. Continuous advancements. Ongoing advancements in green technology have made renewable energy sources more efficient and cost-effective than ever before. Solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage solutions have become more accessible and less expensive to produce. Substantial profits. Green energy companies now generate substantial profits by supplying clean energy to both the public and private sectors. This has attracted significant investments and provided founders with the potential to accumulate substantial wealth. Notable billionaires in this sector include Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, who has pioneered electric vehicles and solar energy through companies like SolarCity. Shengong Shi, the founder of Suntech Power, a leading global solar energy company, is another prominent figure. Aloy Swaben, the founder of Enercon, has made a fortune with his German wind turbine manufacturing company. Number 8. Real estate. The real estate industry is a powerhouse for wealth creation, and here's why. Limited and essential resource. Real estate revolves around a finite and essential resource, land. As the global population grows and urbanization continues, the demand for land and property increases, driving up prices. Land values tend to appreciate over time, making real estate a reliable investment. Those who invest wisely in real estate can potentially amass significant wealth. Multiple income streams. Real estate offers various opportunities for generating income and leveraging capital. Investors can profit from rental income, property appreciation, and commercial ventures like hotels or office buildings. Additionally, real estate investments can be financed through loans, allowing individuals to acquire valuable assets with limited upfront capital. This strategy increases their net worth as the property value appreciates. Notable billionaires who have amassed their fortunes through real estate include Donald Bren, owner of the Irvine Company, and Wang Jianlin, the founder of the Dalian Wanda Group. Number 9. E-commerce. E-commerce has opened the doors to wealth creation through its scalability and global reach. Here's how. Scalability and global reach. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, e-commerce platforms can serve millions of customers without the need for a physical presence. Entrepreneurs can rapidly expand their businesses, reaching a global audience. Low barriers to entry. E-commerce offers a relatively low barrier to entry, making it an environment where innovative ideas and business models can thrive. Success in e-commerce can lead to substantial wealth generation. Data-driven personalization. E-commerce's data-driven nature allows for optimization and personalization, driving customer loyalty and repeat business. By leveraging data analytics and artificial intelligence, e-commerce entrepreneurs can create tailored shopping experiences that resonate with individual customers. This boosts customer satisfaction, retention, and revenue valuations. Notable examples of billionaires in the e-commerce industry include Tobias Lutke, county founder of Shopify, and Lu Changdong, Richard Liu, the founder of JD.com, often referred to as the Jeff Bezos of China. These businesses have capitalized on the opportunities presented by e-commerce. Number 10. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. The blockchain and cryptocurrency industry has given rise to numerous billionaires. thanks to the rapid growth of digital assets and decentralized technology. Here's why this industry is so lucrative. Digital asset growth. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have revolutionized how people transact and store value, attracting substantial investments and increasing their market valuations. Blockchains, secure and decentralized networks. Blockchain technology, which underpins cryptocurrencies, offers secure and decentralized networks. It has gained widespread acceptance and adoption across various sectors, further driving the industry's expansion. Innovation and blockchain-based ventures. The industry has sparked innovation, leading to the emergence of various blockchain-based businesses and applications. Entrepreneurs and investors who back successful startups, such as Brian Armstrong, county founder of Coinbase, and Changpeng Zhao, CZ, the founder of Binance, have accumulated significant wealth through their ventures. Number 11. Electric vehicles, EV, and autonomous driving. The electric vehicle, EV, and autonomous driving industry is challenging, but offers immense potential to revolutionize transportation. Several factors are driving this transformation, including growing environmental concerns, advances in battery technology, and supportive government policies. As traditional combustion engine vehicles become less popular, innovators and investors in this space see the opportunity to create sustainable and convenient transportation solutions. One notable example is Trevor Milton, the founder of Nikola Motor Company, focusing on electric and hydrogen-powered trucks. Another success story is Li Bin, the founder of NIO, a Chinese EV manufacturer that has become a significant global player. Both entrepreneurs recognized the potential of the EV market and capitalized on the shift toward greener and more technologically advanced transportation solutions. Number 12. EdTech, educational technology. The EdTech industry holds the potential to create numerous billionaires by combining the ever-growing demand for education with the scalability and cost-effectiveness of technology. Here's why. Increasing demand for education. In our interconnected and knowledge-driven world, there is a growing need for accessible, high-quality educational resources that cater to diverse learning styles and requirements. Scalability and cost efficiency. EdTech companies can deliver these resources through innovative platforms and solutions, allowing them to tap into vast global markets and generate significant revenues. One example is Byju's, an Indian-based online learning platform that has transformed its founder, Baiju Ravindran, into a billionaire. The company offers personalized learning experiences and has attracted millions of students worldwide. Another example is Coursera, county founded by Andrew Ng and Daphne Collar, which provides online courses from top universities and institutions, enabling learners to gain valuable skills and knowledge. And as a bonus for sticking with us until the very end. Number 13. The luxury industry. The luxury industry is renowned for generating a multitude of billionaires, primarily due to its high profit margins and exclusivity. Luxury goods and services are associated with status symbols and unique experiences, enticing consumers to pay a premium for these products. This willingness to pay a premium allows luxury companies to maintain high markups, leading to significant wealth accumulation for industry leaders who have successfully created brands synonymous with luxury and prestige. A prime example is Bernard Arnault, the CEO of LVMH, who is one of the world's richest individuals. His immense wealth comes from ownership of iconic luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Moet & Chandon, and Dior. Similarly, François Pinault, the founder of Kering, has become a billionaire thanks to his portfolio of high-end brands such as Gucci, Saint Laurent, and Alexander McQueen. And there you have it. These are the 12 industries that have the potential to create billionaires. If you're interested, feel free to share which industry you're currently working in, or if you'd like to explore a different one. Your thoughts are always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.